Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to restore a deleted design in Canva. So say you've trashed a design and you're like, oh no, I really want it back. You can get it back. So from your home page, all you need to do is click on the left-hand side on your projects tab. Then scroll to the bottom and you should see a trash icon. So click on there and this is where you will see all your trash designs. And these get stored for 30 days. So if you've trashed something within 30 days and you want it back, you can get it back. If 30 days have gone, you probably won't be able to get it back. But say I want to restore this design from my trash can, all I need to do is click on the three dots and click on restore, and that will be sent back to my projects page. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.